So we'll see what kind of flare we get in this camera. Here we go. Just move just enough and boom. And let's try another one, horizontal or vertical. Just enough sunlight to get a little bit of a flare going there. And here we go. Again, not sure what we're going to get out of that, but very cool little towns like this. We continue on. So let's see if I can get close enough to get this squirrel in the trash can. Hey, squirrely, squirrely, squirrely. Oh, don't mind me. You do your thing. Get closer, closer, closer. You do your thing. Oh, wow, you stood still. Oh, at the end of the roll. Okay, now we're in downtown Indianapolis with our Canon ML AF35 40mm lens. Okay, so I'm gonna get this shot. I'm gonna get a shot of this guy walking by here. And I'm gonna act like I don't know what the heck I'm doing with the camera, fiddling with it and whatnot. Let's see, so if I just put it right about here, I should be able to get the shot, but I don't know. I'm gonna shoot from the hip here and see what I get, but that's supposed to be, let's see, again, no idea what I got there, so I'll be very surprised if that comes out. I'll shoot it down a little bit. Let me get a shot of this lady here. Walk by, hip shot. It's a non-looking shot. Which is kind of a waste, but what have you. Hey guys, how we doing? We are out wandering Indiana. And I've got a rental van going here, and very heck of a deal from Hertz Rental Car, like 125 bucks a week. Incredible. Most of the cars are 50, 60 bucks a day. We've got our Canon AF35 ML, and a very nice little camera, 40mm, and it worked the last time this camera was used, like several years ago. So I'm running a roll of the Fuji 400, so Fuji Color 400. So we'll see what we come up with just out in this little small town here. And there's a cool place, obviously some really neat stuff. Some really, you know, typical old town, small town Indiana. So that's what we're going for. So we'll see what we come up with today. Stay with us. Okay, so we got a train coming here. We are in Cayuga, Indiana. Very cool shot right there. So we've got our Canon ML with a 40mm, you can see that, autofocus with a 40mm, 1.9. There's that shot there, little train going by. All right, we're gonna walk over here. Very cool little town. See if I can get a better shot here. I'm hoping this even comes out. We got a 40mm. We got a 40mm on here, so we have to back up. Here's our shot. Let's just hope that one came out. All right, there we go. Yeah, look at this. This is really cool the way the sun, got our sun up there. So this is really cool the way the sun is hitting this building. So let's go ahead and get a shot here. There's that shot. Let's back up, get another one. I'll be very, very disappointed if these don't come out. Here we go. And we'll go ahead and go horizontal, which is not going to look that great horizontal. Let me get on back here. And here we go, horizontal shot. Okay, this is a very cool place, so we want to get a shot of this. Sam's Pub. Again, this 40mm, you really have to take a step back on this. So that's why these would work technically better as horizontal or verticals. So here we go with our vertical. Let's hope that one comes out. I'll go ahead and get up here a little closer, just for the heck of it. Burning our light here. Here we go. Very cool, very cool. Very nice. See what we come up with on this. Kind of a cool thing there as well. These little towns, you get awesome little taverns and things like that that you can usually take advantage of. Neat old signs and whatnot. So there we go. We'll continue on. Okay, this is very cool as well. So we'll get a quick shot of this little, actually, what am I doing? I need to back up. Just a generic shot in the sun, which makes it look nice. That green door is really cool. Again, we just hope it comes out well. So let me back up as much as possible. Let me actually try to go ahead and put this right here in there if we can. I wonder if we can do that. Yeah, that might make it for a... I'll just go ahead and step up here. Here we go. Should have been centered and easy peasy. Let's go ahead one more here. Okay, there we go. Very cool. We made this stop for our Ricoh GR3, but I wanted to go ahead and get a nice shot here with the old Canon. Didn't want to only shoot film in case, since I've never used this camera, no idea if it's going to come out right. So this, who knows how this will come out. And probably be over or under exposed. There's some sort of red light there. And I don't know what that red light means. So here we go. And so we got 2 shots of it. Okay, we're out. Okay, so off to Robert's camera we go to drop this roll of film off. And again, our lovely AF35mm Canon autofocus ML. I'm not really sure if this thing's even working or not, so it's going to be interesting to see. So I'm anxious to get them over to Robert's camera. I'm fortunate to have a lab in Indiana. Here's what we were working with today. So got the Toby Keith hair going. Old country people will know that, what I'm talking about there. So there we go, guys. All right.